Hi guys, welcome to Shimmy Studios. Today we are here for a review on the Z4 Smartwatch. So let's get it started. As you can see, this is a smartwatch. So let's open this. Okay, we have our watch itself right in this, and let's have a look at the watch. Okay, yeah, this is our watch. This is a Z4 Smartwatch. This is a tethering type smartwatch, as I've heard so far. Okay, we have a heart rate sensor behind of this, and some magnetic charging ports, and a speaker, and I think that's a microphone. Okay, let's keep it aside and have a look at the other contents of the box. So this is our instruction manual. Oh, it's full of Chinese. Okay, yeah, we have the English right over here. So okay, we have a variety of smartwatch faces over here, and a heart rate sensor too, and yeah, something like a warranty card. So let's keep this aside and have a look at the, oh, that's a charging cable right there. So let's open this. Okay, it's over 1.5 meters length, and let's try to turn on the smartwatch now. Yes, and I'm just trying to turn this on, but it's not turning on. So let's keep this for charging for a while. If you are an old watch user, you may know how we can increase the watch length and everything. Yeah, we can increase its size. We'll just need a screwdriver or a pin maybe to pull this one up, and we can easily slide over here and resize it according to our needs. So okay, this is how we are going to charge this. We are just going to place this parallel towards the, oh, it's repulsive. Okay, we need the light poles together. So I now connected this to my laptop, so it's now charging right now. It's a pretty attractive charger too, and a watch too is pretty attractive. So we'll let it charge for a while. We are right back here, guys. So we can just go on through the watch, and we can see that when we swipe right, we'll see the temperature in our area. Now I'm in Kollam, and that's my place that I'll be leaving you a new video in the next month, or on the next week maybe, and about using the Android phone with this watch. So I'll scan the QR code with this and guide you throughout all those things that it is necessary for this watch. And okay, and this watch comes with the latest version of MediaTek firmware, and at first this is our dialer. So this is how our dialer will look like. The first time when we see it, this is how it will look like. So it's kind of impressive. And the next one that's available here is the messaging that I'll leave you in the other video. We need to connect Bluetooth with this, and this is the pedometer. This is the Bluetooth settings. Okay, this is my Moto E4 Plus that I'm shooting it right now, and this is the audio player. We can play audios right through this, and we need to be connected to the Bluetooth for doing this. So I'll leave you in the next video about this too. And this one we need our phone. Okay, and this one here we have the calendar, and this is how the calendar will look like. Okay, we were here, and the first one that we have is the calendar. Okay, when we go through this, we can see that we can toggle it right here, and it's today, and we cannot do any further modifications in this in here. And the next we have the alarms. Okay, it's kind of an Android style tethered smartwatch, so it has all the icons and everything the same, and this is how we can put an alarm. Okay, that absolutely looks impressive, really. And this is the lost alert, and we need to be connected to the Bluetooth for this, and this is the call logs, and whoa, that's a calculator, really. Okay, that looks like the DZ091, and let me leave some calculations in this. So multiplied by 666, so yeah, that's something correct. Okay, it's working without any errors. Okay, with this find phone we can find our device and our phone. This is find phone. The phone will vibrate throughout the time we open this and click on start. And this one is the weather, and we need our location in our Android device turned on and connected via Bluetooth to update our location. And this one is a Siri, and I'll show you that in the next video. And the Siri in the smartwatch is kind of impressive, and this camera too. And as we all know, this is the okay, we also got the blood pressure also on this smartwatch, and this is the heart rate, and this is the sedentary reminder, and this is a sleep monitor. So let's have a look at the blood pressure monitor. Please have a second. Okay, I'm going to start it, and this is the blood pressure. Let's tap on measure. So this uses some binary algorithms for calculating all the blood pressure and everything, and as till I tried it right now, it is absolutely working fine. I'm getting closest results with the smartwatch. Okay, that's 127 of 75, and I think that's pretty high. Okay, this is the heart rate monitor. So we are just going to tap on measure. Yes, 84 BPM. Right. Okay, this is sedentary reminder. As we all know, this will ask us to start up and move around in some seconds. Yes, no, it's in minutes. And this is a sleep monitor, and I don't know how that came recorded, but I'll leave you this on the next video. So I think you should keep subscribe to my channel for the next video, and let us toggle with the settings. And we know this is the Bluetooth settings, and this is the clock, and we can change the watch faces from over here, and I like this one really. And we can sync time from here, and this is sound. The alert type is vibrate and ring and etc etc etc. And we got some ringtones right here, so let's test this. That's the ring 2. This is going to be the ring 1. So the old Chinese one, I like this one really. Oh. Okay, we got 4 and 5 ringtones. Okay, that's up with the ringtones. And just display something. Okay, that's good. Okay, some of them are kind of lengthy. And next one is the volume, and we can increase and decrease the volume right from here, and the extreme point is still 6, and that's not 10. Next one is going to the display. Okay, this one is for the brightness, so I'm just going to adjust this for the screen, and our screen timeout. Then international, we can turn on the auto sync and our language, and that one, and our contact list, first name, last name, orders, etc. And in units, we can change our units to metric and imperial. The next one, it's the motion. Yeah, in all of the type of tethered smartwatches, we will get something like this really. And this is mute incoming calls. This one is for muting incoming calls really. And where was it? And we can use some gestures, right, like the wake up gestures. So when it is on, I'll show you right now. Okay, imagine that the watch is turned off, and on rotating like this, we'll get the watch turned on. Okay, that's up with that. And on apps, we can uninstall all maybe, and then on app we'll get the QR code that we should scan for getting the app on our Android device. Okay, on about, the device name is Shamir, that's my YouTube channel, so I renamed it from the app really. And this LE status, that's a Bluetooth LE, low energy, is not connected. And the next one is the Bluetooth phone book. Next time. Okay, let's go up. On going up, we'll see the heart rate monitor from here. Once more up, we'll see the blood pressure monitor, and one more step up, we'll get the pedometer and the amount of steps and the percentage and the length that we've traveled today. Everything is automatically recorded by this watch. Oh, I like the smartwatch really. Okay, this is sleep monitor, and maybe you have seen this before by an accident. This 4 things, I like these 4 things. This one is for the QR code, so that wasn't meant to be there, but okay, but we can access the QR code in another device if we are in a hurry or something. And this is the Bluetooth, just like an Android device, it turns the blue light on and off on a click. And what about, let's try keep pressing this. Okay, oh yeah, this will give us a fast way to the Bluetooth settings. Oh, okay, then this is a brightness settings. Yeah, the brightness management tool right over here, but let me reduce it for some while. Okay, that's too low. This is okay. And I don't think we have anything there. Yeah, there's nothing there, but yeah, we have something here. As I've told you earlier, on swiping here up, we'll get the heart rate monitor and also the records that came before. And this one, the blood pressure monitor and also the records. This one, the steps and also the records. That's impressive, really. What about this? No records? Oh. Okay, and I have noticed that our battery charge is not getting over. I have been using this for over 2 hours. That's good. Well, that one really works. Okay, let's see if there's anything left. Okay, nothing. Yeah, stay tuned for the next videos. I'm going to give you another video right on this smartwatch only using all the Bluetooth functions. So be sure to be subscribed on my channel and also like this video if you like this, and I know you like this video, so please leave a like and do share this with your friends too. And thanks for watching, guys. Let's meet again.